Can you remove multiple Snapchat friends at once? So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that can you remove the multiple friends on the Snapchat at once. So guys, unfortunately there is no way to remove the multiple Snapchat friends at once, and the only way to delete the multiple snap people on the Snapchat is to remove them one by one. So to remove a friend on the Snapchat you can have to follow some steps. So please make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you will have to tap on the profile on the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen, and after that you will have to scroll down to the My Friends section, and after that you will have to tap and hold on any of the friend from there, and then you will have to tap on